Why do students struggle with algebra homework? Have you ever wondered why so many students find algebra homework challenging? It's a common issue, and understanding the reasons behind it can help us support learners better. One major reason students struggle with algebra is that it introduces abstract concepts. Unlike basic arithmetic, which deals with concrete numbers, algebra uses variables. These symbols representing unknown values, and this shift can be confusing for beginners. Another significant factor is a weak foundation in essential math skills. Algebra builds on earlier topics like fractions, decimals, multiplication, and division. If students have gaps in these areas, they may find it hard to solve algebraic equations. For instance, working with fractions in algebra requires a solid grasp of how fractions function in arithmetic. The transition from arithmetic to algebra itself can also be a hurdle. Arithmetic focuses on known numbers and straightforward operations, while algebra involves understanding expressions and equations. This requires new ways of thinking, such as manipulating symbols and reasoning abstractly. Many students have not practiced these skills enough before entering algebra. Additionally, some students relying on memorization instead of truly understanding the concepts. When learners memorize procedures without grasping the underlying ideas, they struggle to apply their knowledge to new problems. This can lead to confusion and frustration when faced with different types of algebraic equations. Specific difficulties often arise, such as confusion with fractions in equations. This can lead to mistakes in operations like multiplying by reciprocals or combining in like terms. Students may also have trouble maintaining the balance of equations, losing track of the equal sign or incorrectly combining terms. Negative attitudes toward math can further complicate matters. Anxiety and self-doubt can reduce engagement and willingness to practice, making it even harder for students to tackle their homework. The pace of instruction in many classrooms can also be a challenge. Students are often expected to keep up with their peers, which can leave those needing more time to grasp concepts feeling overwhelmed. This may prevent them from asking for help when they need it. To support learners, it is essential to focus on strengthening foundational skills. Encouraging understanding over rote memorization can make a big difference. Providing clear explanations of abstract ideas, along with practical examples, can help make algebra more approachable. Building confidence through positive reinforcement and addressing math anxiety can also encourage students to engage more fully with their homework. Overall, helping students grasp the fundamentals of algebra requires patience, clear explanations, and targeted practice that connects new concepts to the math they already know. This approach makes algebra less intimidating and more accessible for everyone.